Hi guys, how are you? I'm Robin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to what might be the last of my moustache videos. But for now, I'm going to be showing you how to shave, cut and style your moustache into this handlebar style. Now to do this, you will need a shave oil, a razor or electric shaver, scissors, a heavy hold moustache wax and a moustache comb. Right, we're going to start with shaving just to really take off any of the excess on the cheeks and on the neck and just to start to take that shape in. A couple of drops of oil, getting right in, right down onto the neck. Next, you can be using an electric shaver if that's what you like, or you can be going with a razor, and that's what I'm going to do. Because we've used an oil, you can see it's much easier to see what you're doing. Right, when you've done the cheeks, the neck, that's all clean, the chin, this is where we're going to start to get a little bit more precise. I'm just going to take the back of it and line it up, taking away any excess hair above the moustache. And I'm going to do exactly the same for the underside. So picking the ends of the moustache that you've grown so neatly right onto the center of the lip, like that. Right, I'm going to clean this all off and then I'm going to show you how to get the right length of the moustache. So I'm going to grab a pair of scissors, comb this down, just through your hands or with a little comb, over the lip. You can see already that overhang that I've got with the hair. Very carefully cut onto the lip. And you can cut at an angle so that it's shorter into the center, or you can cut straight across. Now, I'm going to take off some of the length on the ends. This is all just done on touch. There's no point measuring something. You're just going to take your index finger and your thumb on both hands and pull from the center out and see and feel if there's one that is longer than the other. The right side is slightly longer. So to cut it, my top tip would be to twist, pull down, and cut at an angle. So if you've got it straight down, you're going to cut at about a 45-degree angle. This is actually a tip that I got from one of you guys on YouTube. There we go. Little end off. So I have been noticing that this side, the right side, has been longer. It's been thinner, but it has been longer. Now the moustache wax I'm using, I absolutely love because it's so heavy hold. Just with my finger, I'm gonna brush in. This can be as messy as you like. Add it in layers though, guys. Don't go and scoop out a huge bit of wax because it's just gonna saturate that. It's gonna sit heavy. Once you've coated the moustache, root to tip, get a little moustache comb. These are so handy, they're so cheap. And start to comb out from the center right out to the ends. Once you've got these ends that you've worked so hard at growing, you're going to take a little bit more of this wax, more than you did before, and you're going to pinch from about the center there, so almost about a third of the way across. Pinch, twist and turn. Now, if it looks overly done, then comb it out again. This actually will help to shape it a little bit, pinch and turn. You can have it as loose as you want with a curl, or you can have it really done and tight. And I'm going to do the same with this side. Promise you, the more often you do this, the easier it becomes. Then what I like to do is just take a little bit more of that wax and piece into the center, not with the comb, but just with my fingers. And really, that is that. So there you go guys, what might be my final, for now, moustache tutorial. I have been doing this now for about 1.5 to 2 years and I feel like I've got it down, but if you're new to this and you're struggling with it, practice. Practice, see what sort of moustache waxes work for you, see what length you like it in the center, what length works perfectly for the ends, and you will get there. But thanks again. If you're new to my channel, you've not yet pressed subscribe, then please do press subscribe right now. The button will be just up there. There's also more video suggestions down there. Stay with me and watch them. Come and donate to my Movember page, please. It will be there, and also in the info button up there. But I'll see you in my next new one. Bye-bye.